Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's project. This is the before from my ladder and I made it last year, and I'm gonna leave you the description box down below the link for the video from where I made it. This is the ladder, and now I'm gonna take some nails to put them there instead of that twine. I'm gonna use the ink Waverly chalk paint. Let me show you that one. And I'm gonna use a paintbrush and I'm gonna remove that, but first I'm gonna add my two nails like that. Let me show you a little bit better. Okay, now it's focused. I'm gonna add my nail like that and I'm gonna hammer it just like so. And then I'm gonna add the other one to the other side. And after I have them there, it's when I'm gonna cut that twine. So I don't get my ladder steps. Yeah, those are steps, but they're not used for stepping on the ladder. Loose. So I'm gonna cut now, after I just added my nails. And now that I cut that, I'm gonna remove the twine. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hammer those nails completely like that. I'm gonna repeat that all around. And now that I have all of them nailed, I'm gonna take the ink chalk paint and I'm gonna start painting all over my ladder. And you can use this for any ladder that you have at home. You don't have to do this one, but if you wanna see how I made it, I'm just gonna leave you the link so you can make your own. And just like that, we're gonna cover it completely. Remember that if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, a couple of silly jokes and seasonal decor, subscribe because that's what I do here. And we're gonna cover it completely and then we're gonna let it dry so we can flip it over and paint back part of our ladder. Now I'm gonna let you enjoy the painting process. When you have it covered completely like that, we're gonna let it dry nicely and then paint the back. This is part of the Make It New challenge hosted by my beautiful friend Jasenia from Be Thrifty too. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the link to her channel and also to the playlist. I'm so happy to be co-hosting this month Make It New challenge. I was so excited when she sent me a message so we can do this together. So go and check her out and also check that playlist out. And as I said, if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor and a couple of silly jokes and also some seasonal decor, subscribe because that's what I do here. Now I'm gonna take that bow that I made for my wreath and I didn't use, and I'm gonna fluff it really nicely. And then I'm gonna use that swag. Yeah, it's a swag. Yeah, it's a swag from last year, and I'm gonna fluff it also. And then I'm gonna attach my bow to that swag by tying it to the back. If you want to see how I make my swags, you can go to any of my wreath videos. And this is how it's looking. I'm gonna fluff it a little bit more, but first, before I attach it to my ladder, I'm gonna take this green, I don't know the name of the leaf, garland, and I'm gonna tie it all around my ladder like that. It's the greeny thingy. And I'm gonna tie it like that all around. I'm using green this year for my fall decor. That's why I'm using a green garland of the green thingies. After you have it all tied around like that, I'm gonna come back with my swag and I'm gonna attach it using the leftover pipe cleaner that we used to tie it like that one. I'm gonna tie it using that pipe cleaner. I'm so sorry it's out of focus and out of frame, but now I'm gonna show you how it's looking. And now I'm gonna take that wreath that I made last year also, and I'm gonna tie it, but I'm gonna add those tassels also. And to attach that wreath, I'm using just a, no, it's not a clothespin. Okay, I forgot the name for that. It's like a pin, like a clothing thingy. Okay, it's a thingy. A thingy you put in your clothes. And now after I put the thingy, you see the thingy there, I'm gonna add my tassels to the corner, and then I'm gonna come back and use a piece of fabric to the bottom of my ladder to make it look like we have some sort of a blanket there. Now I'm gonna show you how this beauty turned out. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, I paired it with my topiary. This is how it's looking. I just love it. It looks so much better in black. I just love it. It needed a big refresh and change because that gray wasn't doing it any justice, and my furniture is mostly black. So that's what I did, and it looks beautiful. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to Yesenia's channel and also to the playlist for this Make It New challenge. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for asking me to co-host with her. This was an honor and a pleasure. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.